learners mo ay considered as concrete random, they are known as divergent thinkers. Itong mga learners na to, they enjoy experimentation. They enjoy creating new models and practical things that result from new learning and concept development. Okay? So, iba-iba yung gusto nila. So, yung mga learners naman classified as concrete sequential thinkers, they are thinkers based on the physical world identified through senses. They are detail-oriented. Yan. Notice details and recall with them with ease. They like lecture and teacher-directed activities. See? Yun ba ma-assist natin to be able to identify kung sila ay sequential thinkers, kung sila ay random thinkers? Di ba? So, iba-ibang klase ng pag-iisip. Mayroon yung mga bata pala. Okay? Next. Abstract sequential thinker. They are thinkers delight in the world of theory and abstract thought. Their thinking process are rational, logical, and intellectual. Diba? They like to support the new information by investigating and analyzing so that learning makes sense and has real meaning for them. Very logical. Ayaw nila na walang proof. Diba? Yung gusto nila maliwanag. Okay? Bakit ganito? Kasi ganito. Yan. So, ipapaliwanag mo sa kanila yung tamang proseso, tamang dahilan. Okay? Ang tawag natin sa kanila ay abstract sequential thinkers. And then we have abstract random thinkers. These thinkers organize information through sharing and discussing. These learners like to discuss and interact with others so as they learn. Pwede na ito yung, kaya nga sa class, sa multi-grade class, dapat ipopromote mo lagi yung grouping of learners. Pero kayo lagi may group activities. Yun yung gusto nila. Mayroon kayong group, cooperative group learning, mayroon kayong mga learning stations dyan, di ba? Yan, okay? Hindi individual ang pag-provide, pag-assign. So you have to have this provision in your classrooms na may pang-group activities talaga. Okay, may pair. Mayroon din tayong pair activities, di ba? Yung paris tayo ng pairing tayo. Then we will do. Okay? So ito yung mga abstract random thinkers. So these are the 4 thinking styles according to Anthony Gregor. Okay? And then, yan. Ito naman kay Bernice. Mac artist. Okay? Model. Mayroon din siyang 4 types of learners. Ano yung first one? The first one is?
Type 4.
No. Imaginative learner. The second one is analytical learner. The third one is common sense learner. This ay common sense. Lagi sinasabi na wala kang common sense. Diba? So, tingnan nyo may common sense learners. Okay, so, let's discuss this one by one. Ano ibig sabihin ng imaginative learners? Can we have a break muna? 5 minutes break?
Yes.
Is it with you?
Yes.
Sige. 5 minutes break muna tayo and then we will proceed. Okay, sige. Pwede yung mag-CR, pwede muna kumain. Saglit, 5 minutes po. Sige, thank you.
Health break. Health break. Hindi man gawin ang topic ko ng dali.
Picture ang kaset.
Ha? Lagi, ma'am. 8 man na kabuo. Ato lang kayo na break man ha. Kuan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Di man mo apin siya. Ato man